Okay, YouTube, I am going to now show you how loud or how quiet the 2014 Barnett Predator AVI Crossbow is compared to my Diamond Fugitive Compound Bow, which is about 2 years old. It is set at 65 pounds and it shoots about 340 feet per second compared to the Barnett Predator AVI, which shoots at 375 feet per second. So we're going to do a sound test and kind of tell the difference. First, I'm going to shoot my regular compound bow, my Diamond Fugitive, and we'll see what it sounds like. And I'm shooting in the basement, just so you know. So there's the regular compound bow. I have yet to cock the Barnett Predator, so give me just a minute to do that. Okay, got the crossbow cocked. Put the arrow on the riser. And here we go. Shot test versus the compound bow. Alright. So that is the difference. There's definitely a difference in sound. The crossbow is definitely noisier than the compound bow, the regular vertical bow. I was only shooting in about, I don't know, probably 10 yards in the basement here. So there's a little bit of an echo, reverberation, and then of course the sound of the arrow hitting the targets. But by far, both bows are very, very quiet, and my Diamond Fugitive does have string silencers on the string itself, and the Barnett Predator AVI does not have any string silencers on it whatsoever. So I think I'll stick some silencers on there down the road, and then we'll do another test fire and we'll see the difference. But all in all, actually a pretty quiet bow.